Once again, welcome back to my channel. Latest and beautiful crochet handbags are a popular and stylish accessories. You can create unique design using various crochet stitches and pattern. If you have any specific question or need tips on crocheting handbags, feel free to ask. There are countless crochet handbags designed to choose from. Here are a few ideas, like a boho French bag, French for a friendly Pokemon look, and stylish clutch, elegant and perfect for formal ascension, and beautiful look styles. You can find crochet pattern for this design online or create your own costume designed by experimenting with different stitches and yarn colors. Happy crocheting. Stylish design handbags. Stylish crochet handbags design often invaluable, unique texture, color, and embellishment. Here are some ideas for creating stylish crochet handbags. And like boho cheek bag combine different stitches, French and beads for a woman's by designs, transition between shadows of a single color for a subtle and stylish gradient effect. uh, Crochet overlay bag. Crochet a lacy overlay on top of a solid base for an elegant and delicate appearance. Experiment with textured stitches like popcorn bubble of cable stitches to create a visually appealing texture. And embellishment clutch. Add buttons, beads, or embroidery to a simple clutch to make it stand out. Remember, the choice of yarn and color palette can influence the overall style for your handbags. Do not be afraid to mix and match different elements to create a unique and stylish